here. Today is the final day of the countdown to the Time for Tea Designs new release for January 2022. You can recap on all the products revealed in our previous videos here on our YouTube channel and also on the Time for Tea Designs blog. All of the products in today's video will be available at Time for Tea Designs from 9 AM on the 21st of January, British summertime. The Let's Spoon stamp and die set is full of fun, cheeky pun sentiments and their coordinating characters. Create unique cards for Valentine's Day or birthdays that show how you care in a sassy and mischievous way. The fabulous font in the bold sentiment stamps and die set will really make a statement on all of your projects. The set comes with larger words in this stylish font and smaller complementary phrases to allow you to build your own special messages. Use the coordinating dies to add extra dimension and impact. Mix and match with your other Time for Tea Designs stamps and dies to make something really special and unique. Our geometric snowflakes cover die really is something of a chameleon when it comes to creating beautiful backdrops for your projects. Add colour behind the die to allow it to really pop, or ink blend and ombre finish before cutting to highlight the pattern. Depending on how you style your die, you may see snowflakes, cubes, flowers or diamonds. Whichever you see, this die will always make a stunning feature. Thank you so much for joining me today. Tomorrow is release day, so please join me back here where I'll be giving you the full reveal of all of the products in this month's release. You can also watch the release live on our Facebook page at 8 PM this evening. See you then, guys. Bye.